in a good place means that you're able to share that goodness and kindness with others, and yeah, that's what makes life go round, I think. I'm good. Like I said, one of the perks of being a teacher is you get to work with so many different walks of life, so many different families, so many different cultures and ethnicities. It's just one big sort of melting pot of the community that you live in, and so it's really cool to be a big part of that. It gives like children and myself and all the other teachers that work in the profession an opportunity to engage with so many different cultures and religions and aspects, and I think what makes that so important is because that's the world we live in today, and so we need to be giving these real life experiences to our tamariki. If you've got the goodness inside of you and you can project that and share that with others, that's when your day is going to go really well. I think like if you're feeling stressed out or you're not in a good place, then when you go into the class, it's hard, because I think when you're greeted by 30 smiling faces, it could soon change those emotions for yourself. The ability to just love and be accepting and inclusive, like I can think back on so many stories in the classroom where I walk out and it's my heart's felt so warm, and it's because it's the values that you're teaching the children and seeing them happen right in front of you. That's what's so special.